Okay, so in this session, we're going to enact a specified behavior, or rather you're going to try and enact a specified behavior. So I'm going to tell you what I want, and you're going to try and write the Java code that achieves that. In order to write the Java code to achieve that, I need to show you two new commands that you can use. One is turn right, and you have to specify the number of degrees. So you could say turn right 180 degrees, in which case you'd be coming back the way you came. Or turn left a number of degrees. So you could say turn left 60 degrees, for example. So it will be turn left, open brackets, 60, close bracket, semicolon. There are two commands. Now the behavior I want you to achieve is for the tank to achieve a triangular pattern rather than an up and back pattern. So instead of going up and back, it goes up, goes that way, and it achieves a perfect triangle, so it goes around the same triangle over and over again. Think you can achieve that? Have a go now, and we'll pause the video, and I'll come back and show you how it's done in a few minutes. Okay, so first point is, where would we put the code? So obviously we'd put it in the run method, because that's the behavior the tank does. So it's got to be somewhere between this curly bracket and this curly bracket. Okay. In fact, it's the behavior we want to achieve over and over again. So it's going to be in this while true. So true is true forever. So it'll keep repeating around this loop here. So we've got to put our code somewhere in here. Okay. But this code just makes us move ahead and back. Doesn't quite achieve what we want. So let's just move ahead 100 and then turn right. How many degrees do you think? You could be fooled here and think 60, but it's actually 120 degrees. Then we'll go ahead again. And we'll turn right again. Again, 120 degrees. Why 120? Because when we do 3 of these, we'll have done 120 and 120 and 120, 360, full circle. Go ahead again, ahead 100. Turn right, 120. So that should bring us exactly where we started. Just delete this code. Now, I notice here that I get a compilation error if I left it this way, because Java is very particular about the capital letters and the small letters, so that small r here is a problem. So let's just try and compile it, and I'll show you that it'll give out. Yes. So now we got an error in code. It says turn right. There's an error on that turn right. It's because we didn't use a capital. So let's just change that to a capital. And now the compiler can work with it because it's well structured. So we successfully compile the program. As always, you have to test your changes to see if the behavior you were asked to achieve is really achieved. So let's go back into Robocode and see if we can put up a battle. Have a new battle with body and walls again. And this time we're looking for a triangular pattern with our robot. And you'll see that the tank is actually achieving a triangular pattern. A bit more sophisticated, and a bit harder to hit for it. So, if you like that exercise, if you like trying to achieve the code to achieve a certain behavior, well, that is programming. So if you like that, then maybe a degree in computer science or software engineering is of interest to you. If you don't like it, equally important, then maybe it isn't for you and you should think about it again. Okay, that's it for session 4. Session 5, I'll show you a few extra tricks that you can use to make your bot even better if you fancy moving on from this.